Switzerland on a dime. Yes, it's possible. Switzerland, land of majestic mountains, sparkling lakes, and yes, a reputation for being pricey. But hold on, don't let that stop your wanderlust. Switzerland on a budget? Absolutely doable. It's all about smart choices and knowing where to look. Get ready for breathtaking scenery and unforgettable experiences without breaking the bank. Switzerland's beauty is truly captivating. Imagine towering Alps reflected in crystal clear waters. Picture charming villages nestled amidst rolling green hills. Now, imagine experiencing it all without emptying your wallet. That's the magic of budget travel in Switzerland. Forget the myth that Switzerland is only for luxury travelers. From affordable accommodations to delicious and inexpensive cuisine, Switzerland has something for everyone. Get ready to discover the heart of Switzerland, where adventure meets affordability. First things first, let's talk about stretching those Swiss francs. Switzerland has an excellent public transportation system. Trains, buses, and boats connect you to major cities and quaint towns. Consider a Swiss travel pass for unlimited travel within a specific time frame. Eating out in Switzerland can be expensive. Embrace the picnic culture. Local grocery stores offer delicious cheeses, bread, and fresh produce. Pack your lunch and find a scenic spot to enjoy it. You'll save money and soak in the stunning views. Look for free activities. Many museums offer free admission on certain days or evenings. Hiking is a fantastic way to experience the natural beauty of Switzerland without spending a dime. Lace up those hiking boots and hit the trails. Consider traveling during the shoulder seasons, spring and fall. The weather is still pleasant, crowds are smaller, and you'll find better deals on accommodations. Plus, the scenery is just as breathtaking. Forget fancy hotels. Switzerland has charming and affordable accommodations. Think cozy guesthouses, family-run hotels, and youth hostels. These options offer a unique and authentic Swiss experience without the hefty price tag. Picture this. You arrive at a traditional Swiss guesthouse, warmly greeted by the owners. The air is filled with the aroma of freshly baked bread. Your room, though small, is cozy and inviting, with wooden beams and a view of the surrounding mountains. You step outside, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and feel a sense of peace wash over you. This is the magic of staying in an affordable Swiss guesthouse. Savouring Switzerland, budget bites and bargain buys. Switzerland's culinary scene is a delight, even on a budget. Look for local bakeries offering fresh bread, pastries, and sandwiches. These make for a delicious and affordable breakfast or lunch on the go. Many restaurants offer a more affordable plat du jour or daily special, which typically includes a main course and sometimes a soup or salad. It's a great way to sample local cuisine without overspending. When it comes to shopping, skip the high-end boutiques. Instead, explore local markets for unique souvenirs and gifts. Look for handcrafted items, local crafts, and delicious Swiss chocolate, of course. Switzerland is known for its chocolate. Visit a local chocolate factory for a tour and tasting. You'll learn about the chocolate-making process and indulge in some sweet treats without breaking the bank. Pause. 3 sec. Your Swiss adventure awaits, finding the best flights. Getting to Switzerland doesn't have to cost a fortune. Look for budget airlines that fly to major Swiss cities like Zurich or Geneva. Be flexible with your travel dates and consider flying during the off-season for the best deals. Once you've booked your flights, start planning your itinerary. Research affordable accommodation options, transportation passes, and free activities. Remember, the key to budget travel is planning and making smart choices. Switzerland's beauty awaits. From towering mountains and sparkling lakes to charming villages and delicious chocolate, this country has something for everyone. Don't let the myth of Switzerland being expensive deter you. With a little planning and these budget-friendly tips, you can experience the magic of Switzerland without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Visicious Travels. We appreciate your support. Thanks for watching.